Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Good morning. We're going to do a daily what sold video. As you can see on this screen, 19 orders on eBay for $221 and one order on HIP for $9. So $230 in sales for, when was that? That was December 20th. So Monday. We'll go ahead and get started here and show you what sold. First up, we have a Valentine's postcard. Love's Message, Indian Boy, Arrows, Girl, Unsigned Clap Saddle. This is a classic clap saddle card. I know it doesn't appear, her name does not appear on this card, but if you Google this image, it is attributed to Ellen Clapsaddle. So this one sold for $12.99, and we're a few months away from Valentine's Day. So get your Valentine's Day cards listed. Next is Merry Christmas, Angels Holding Baby and Christmas Tree circa 1908. Almost had the look of a Hold the Light, because they would normally cut out these candles here and some windows here for the Hold the Light card, but this is not a Hold the Light card, and it sold for $4.99. Some condition issues, probably could have got a little bit more for that. This is a ship postcard, Anchor Line, steamer ship Caledonia, 1930s. Here's that, and it sold for $15.99. Next, Little Rock, Arkansas, Boys Club Vintage Linen, sold for $2.50. This has been up for a while. I was feeling generous yesterday, so I let it go for $2.50. I don't even remember what I had it listed for, but I've had this listed for 5-6 years, maybe longer. This is McHenry, Illinois, on the Fox River, real photo. And I think it's a Brooks real photo. Don't even know where I got Brooks from. Oh, down here. So that one sold for, on a best offer of $20. I think I had it up for maybe $25. Okay, this is a Golden City, Missouri, Glitter Greetings. I probably could have put Christmas in the title. In fact, I probably should have. You can see the mica or the glitter there. I did not. I'm not sure if this is before I had a scanner. I think it is, but I would not run this through the scanner without a carrier sheet, so that glitter or mica does not scratch your lenses. So $5.99 for that card. This is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Carnegie Institute of Technology. Real photo of the campus. And that sold on a best offer at $12. Narragansett Bay boat landing. This is in Rhode Island, Rocky Point. This one took a best offer of $6. Probably had it up for $8 or $9. Rhode Island cards do fairly well. I got a whole bunch of those to list yet. New Jersey. This is Riverside, New Jersey. William, is it Tabel residence. Real photo. It's pretty gnarly. Stains, paper loss, maybe even water damage. Just, it's in horrible condition, and it's still sold for $12.99. I think I put in here, note missing corner, see picture for condition. So who knows what this could have sold for if it was in excellent condition, but in rough shape, $12.99. Okay, next we have Chicago, Illinois, 1933 World's Fair, Century of Progress, Czechoslovakian Pavilion. I ran out of letters. So this one is going to the United Kingdom, and it sold for $8.19. Next, Sarasota, Florida, the Wintz Longboat Golf Lodge Airview Vintage. I throw vintage in when I don't have any other key words. I guess I could have used old cars. And this one sold for $6.99. Wellfleet, Cape Cod. Wellfleet is a bolo town. This is a fishing boat, off-duty, Mayo's Beach. Some scanner lines right there. And this one sold for $21.99. I think I had a 10 or 20% offer on that. Maryland, this is Ocean City, Maryland, Phillips Crab House Seafood Restaurant. Old cars. This one sold for $18 on a best offer. These next couple went to the same buyer of that last one. So this is West Ocean City, Maryland, the Harbor Charter Fishing Boats Vintage. So this one sold for $5, and then there's another Ocean City one somewhere coming up that went to the same buyer. This is Gettysburg Battlefield 2nd, Maryland Confederate Monument. So there were only 2 infantry regiments from Maryland, regiments I guess you could call them, fought for the South during the Civil War. And this monument is in Gettysburg, and it sold for $17 on a best offer. So pretty rare postcard. There aren't many of the 2nd Maryland. So anyway, moving on. This is Nashville, Tennessee, Clarkston Hotel. It's a linen from the 40s, and it sold for $5 on a best offer. This is the other Ocean City card. Ocean City, Maryland, Boardwalk View, Candy Kitchen, Coca-Cola sign. So there's the Coke sign, Candy Kitchen, Boardwalk, Beach View, and it sold for $8.50. Next, Roanoke, Virginia, Archie's Lobster House Seafood Restaurant, 1950s. Pretty cool card, nice advertising. Let me see, $5. Got this for pennies in that lot from the old postcard dealer I bought in April of 19. This is a Scenic Greetings from Princeton, Maine, vintage linen. One of those 1930s, 40s, actually looks like 50s. Just a generic scenic view with the name of the town across the bottom. Again, most of these you're going to find in your quarter boxes. I always pick them up, especially if I don't recognize the town. This was an easy $8 on that card. And one card over on Hip sold. Another Narragansett Pier, Rhode Island Girl, artist sign H. King. There's that. And it went to the same person who bought that other Narragansett Pier. So he bought one on Hip, and he bought one on eBay, and I just threw them in the same eBay envelope. So that's it for what sold. Pretty good day, $230. I'm sure it'll start slacking off here as we get closer to Christmas. And I have not listed for several weeks because I've been messing around with YouTube. So let me know in the comments below if you appreciate these daily videos, if you're getting some value out of them. I will be putting out a probably going to be 9 or 10 part beginner's guide to selling postcards. And I'm working on it now. That'll be out probably in the next week or so. So as always, thank you for watching.